Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel once again. So today we want to resolve this problem. We have k times k minus k times k to be equal to 180. But when we have k times k times k, this is the same as k to the power of 3 minus k times k is k squared, which is equal to 180. So when we move the constant to the left, we'll have k cubed minus k squared minus 180 to be equal to 0. So we have a cubic equation here, but we can split this 180 into 2 to have k to the power of 3 minus k squared minus 216 plus 36. This will give us minus 180 to be equal to 0. Resolving this, 216 is equal to 6 to the power of 3, and 36 is equal to 6 to the power of 2. So we'll be rewriting this here to have k cubed minus k squared minus our 216 is this 6 to the power of 3 plus 6 to the power of 2 equal to 0. So we can rearrange this using the powers here. We have k to the power of 3 minus 6 to the power of 3 minus k squared plus 6 squared equal to 0. So this gives us k cubed minus 6 cubed minus we have k squared minus 6 squared to be equal to 0. But let's recall that when we have a cubed minus b cubed, so when we have a cubed minus b cubed, this is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And when we have a squared minus b squared, that's difference of 2 squared, this gives us a plus b times a minus b. So this equation here, we can apply this to have our k cubed minus 6 cubed becomes this. So we have k minus 6 k squared plus 6k plus 6 squared minus we have k squared minus 6 squared, which is this. So we have k plus 6 k minus 6, and is all equal to 0. We have k minus 6 and we have k minus 6, so we'll factor out k minus 6. So we have k minus 6 we are left with this here, which is k squared plus 6k plus 6 squared minus we are left with k plus 6 all equal to 0. So this will give us k minus 6. We have k squared plus 6k plus 6 squared. When we open this bracket, we have minus k and we have minus 6 all equal to 0. So this gives us k minus 6 times we have k squared plus 6k, 6 to the power of 2, we have 36 minus k minus 6 all equal to 0. So this gives us k minus 6. We have k squared we have 6k minus k, which is 5k, and we have 36 minus 6, which is 30, or equal to 0. So it simply means that k minus 6 is equal to 0, and this k squared plus 5k plus 30 is equal to 0. So we'll be resolving these two equations. We have a linear equation and a quadratic equation. For the linear equation, we have that k is equal to 6. So let's resolve this quadratic equation. Our k will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2a. So our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to 5, and our c is equal to 30. When we resolve this, we have that k is equal to, we have minus 5 plus or minus, we have 5 to the power of 2, which is 25, minus, we have 4 times 3, which is 12, and 120, and we have over 2. So our k is equal to minus 5 plus or minus, this minus 95, all over 2. So our k is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root minus 1 times root 95. Our k is equal to minus 5 plus or minus, we have I root 95 over 2. So the two factors of k is a complex number. So we work with k equal to 6. So we can verify the answer. Now let's recall that the question says k times k times k minus k times k equal to 180. So when we impute our k at 6, we have 6 times 6 times 6 minus 6 times 6 equal to 180. So we have 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216, minus 6 times 6, which is 36, equal to 180. This minus this will give us 180 is equal to 180. Our left hand side equals the right hand side. So the value for k is 6. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.